Hello guys, this is Nishita Maulik and today I'm going to share with you guys a very nude makeup look, a basic makeup look actually that you can create of course if you're going to an event or a mall for shopping. Yeah, okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. Step is I'll apply a tea tree body shop serum that I always apply before doing my makeup because skincare is extremely needed. Needed thing for a makeup look is using a moisturizer. Now I'm gonna use this almond and honey moisturizer from Joy. This is very cheap and important step is to use a primer. So I am going to use this Insight primer. This primes, protects and moisturizes. Done. Now the next corrector, this is actually a concealer but it's so dark, it's extremely dark, so I thought why not use it as a color corrector. The Lakme 925 foundation and one is the matte Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation. So I'm just going to use the Lakme one today. The applicator is very handy and easy to use. Just blender and wet it with this is a DIY face mist that I have made with water and lemongrass essential oil. This refreshes your skin so freaking good.
Some people have written books, some have a great look that covers the magazines for kids who are 17, but I don't know what to do. Staring into the blue sky and just waiting.
Baking. For that, I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty primer and set mattifying setting powder. This is extremely powdery.
What will happen to me? Will I be remembered in a century, or will I be forgotten like dust in the wind, or the talk of the town that we are living in? Well, I don't know. I don't know. How could I know what lies ahead of me?
I'm gonna do my eyebrows. For that I'll take a brush like this and I'll take one of my eyeshadow palettes. I'm using this number 6 eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty as well. I'm just gonna take a dark shade, dark brown shade. I'm just gonna take it in the brush, tap the excess and I'm just gonna fill my brows.
I don't know what to do. I'm staring into the blue sky and just waiting for a sign. Someday certain of what awaits them when it all ends, but I don't know what will happen.
So because I don't have a proper eye primer for my eyes, मैं बस ये फाउंडेशन लूँगी और इसको थोड़ा सा हाथ में लूँगी ऐसे और मैं इसको अपने आईज में ऐसे blend करती हूँ with my fingers, of course.
How could I know what lies ahead of me? Am I part of a grand master plan? Will I be washed away like lines in the sand?
Set this base with the same baking powder that I have from Swiss Beauty. I'm just gonna take a brush and kind of like just set the base.
don't know what will happen to me. Will I be remembered?
First, I'm gonna create a very
century?
pinkish kind of nude eyeshadow look.
Forgotten.
So for that, I have two palettes. One is the Swiss Beauty number 1 palette, and the second is the Swiss Beauty number 6 palette. They have beautiful pinks in it, as you can see. So I'm just gonna use let's use that palette. So I'm just gonna use this shade, and then maybe I'll use this. So I'm just gonna take a blending brush. This is a blending brush that I brought from Amazon. Nothing is written in here. So I'm just gonna take our shade, and I'm just gonna apply it on my crease. Now I think we are done. Now I'll take this shimmery shade. It is a little shimmery shade over here. This is orange kind of a color. So I'm just gonna apply it on my lids. The next step is I'll use this Swiss Beauty glitter eyeshadows. These are wonderful. Like, they're just like amazing. Like, apply it all over my lids. Actually, the middle part I'll focus more on. Blender, and I'm just gonna take my eyeshadow palette that I use, and I'm just gonna take this shade, this. I'm just gonna blend everything out. Now that we are done with our eyes, this is just the basic liner, Lakme liner, the one which comes for $100. I'm just gonna create a winged liner. I'm just gonna take my mirror in front of me.
When you're
Time, and I'll just come back. All these excess powders that I have on my face, like rub them out. Excess powder, I'm just gonna use my mascara. I'm using the Colossal Volume Express mascara. This for contouring, I'll use an eyeshadow palette that I have. This is then I'll just use this color, this brown color, to do my contouring.
Some people have written books, some have a great look that covers the magazines for kids who are 17. But I don't know what to do, staring into the blue sky and just waiting for a sign. Some, they are certain of what awaits them when it all ends. But I don't know what will happen to me. Will I be remembered in a century? Like dust in the wind, or the talk of the town that we are living in. Well, I don't know, how could I know what lies ahead of me?
HD Shimmer Break. This is a lovely highlighter, and I'm going to take a brush, a random fluffy brush, And I'm just gonna take the shade. Ready for the glow?
Some people they put their faith into someone who's half their age, reading from a torn out page from a book filled with lies. But I don't know what to do. I'm staring into the blue sky and just waiting for a sign. Someday are certain of what awaits them when it all ends, but I don't know what will happen to me. Will I be remembered in a century? Or will I be forgotten like dust in the wind? Or the talk of the town that we are living in? Well, I don't know.
It's all done. Now I'm gonna apply my blush. Extremely sorry, I actually forgot to apply my blush and I applied the highlighter first. But yeah, guys, so I'm just gonna use the same palette and I'm gonna use this peachy kind of a color. And I'm just gonna apply the blush.
I don't know what will happen to me.
Guys, so the last step is using a setting spray. For that I'm going to use a DIY setting spray that I have created already. So if you want to know how I created it, then I'll of course upload a video. You just need to put a comment, that's it. So I'm just going to cover my eyes and everything, and just at this distance I'm just going to cover my whole face with the setting spray. That is done. I'm just going to take my beauty blender and dab it so that it stays in place, and I'm just gonna apply this Blue Heaven Elegance nude shade. This is a very pretty nude shade. Nyka's mini lipstick. This is the Nyka, I don't remember the shade, 18 Chai. This is the shade Chai. So if you guys liked my look, then please do not forget to like, subscribe and comment in my channel, and please do not forget to click the bell icon on the right side to get notified whenever I upload a video. If you guys like this look, then I deserve it, man. So see you in the next video. Bye bye, see ya.